Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm Royal, and I'm going to share with you some of my recent My Lead Gen secret results. Before I get into the video, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already. So I've been using My Lead Gen Secrets since January 2022. This is my first account, and I've earned $759 in this account, and I have another account where I've been paid $696, which totals to $1455. So almost 1,500 bucks in commissions. Not too shabby for a system that gives you leads every single day, and you can email these leads any affiliate marketing products, any network marketing, anything as related to make money online. These leads work great for it. I also made a playlist with my other past videos about My Lead Gen secrets. So if you want to learn more about My Lead Gen secrets, be sure to check out the videos in that playlist. And before I dive a little bit deeper, I want to share this Facebook group with you. This is very, very important. It's helping me out, and it's helping so many other new people that just signed up with My Lead Gen secrets. I'll leave this Facebook group down below, but as you can see, it's a little over 5,000 members. And you can come here and socialize with the community. There's so many people that are posting their results with My Lead Gen secrets. If you click over here on recent media, you'll see so many people posting their results, their income proof. So My Lead Gen secret absolutely works. It's been working for me, and it's working for so many others. So My Lead Gen secrets is really, really simple to use, you guys. If we click on the My Leads tab, they give you 100 leads when you start your account. And when you get one referral, all it takes is one referral under you as an affiliate to unlock an extra 100 leads per day. As a pro tip, when you create your account by clicking on the link down below, I highly suggest you take your affiliate link and email the leads that they give you your affiliate link so that you can unlock your first affiliate under you, which will unlock that 100 leads. So you can have 200 leads per day. That is the maximum that you can get per account. I got 2 accounts, 400 leads per day. So My Lead Gen secret works best if you use it long term. I repeat, My Lead Gen secret works best if you use it long term, because these are cold emails. These are cold leads, right? So you have to email them every day. You can switch up the offers as much as you want. You can promote as much different things that you want to these leads, but you got to stay consistent. And it's so simple, guys. Once you're inside your account, you click right here, select all. This puts all the leads right here. That queues them up and get ready to email. Once you start emailing, you'll see all your past emails right here. You can load them up and click on them with one click of a button right there. But it's very simple. You just write a subject right here. You can include their first name by copying one of these codes. I like to use the first name only. And it's very simple, guys. You just write your email. And if you want to hyperlink something, then you just select the part of the text that you want. You go to this link right here, you paste your link right here, and you press OK. And let me just put facebook.com for the sake of this video. Bam, now you got a hyperlinked part of the message to where if they click right here, they'll be able to go to whatever link that you specified in this text. And there's usually a preview button right here. As you see, I already sent my email for the day, so I gotta wait 16 hours before I can send another email. And before you send out your email, I highly suggest you click the preview button, which is usually right here in this corner. Make sure that your links and everything is right. Pushing this perfect time in button right here, this is totally optional. You can hover over this and read that. And send your email, guys. My Lead Gen Secrets is a very easy platform to use. It's very affordable. It's only 30 bucks per month. So click down below, create your account, and remember the pro tip, guys. You get better results the longer you use it, because you get leads every single day, but remember, these are cold leads, so you will have to email them every single day. If you stay consistent, you will get results. I'm getting pretty good results. I will continue to keep using them because it actually works, right? It actually works. I've made sales not only with the affiliate program, but by making sales by emailing the leads and linking products inside the emails. I've made sales that way also. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget, I do have a playlist with other tips and strategies. I even have a video that teaches you how I write my emails. So be sure to check that out. Be sure to like this video so YouTube can recommend this to more people, more marketers struggling with leads. Subscribe to the channel, guys. That's all I got for you in this video. Stick around for this next one. I think it will be helpful for you as well. Keep learning, keep marketing, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.